guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiana. So I did lose the beginning footage of my video, but basically I'm jumping in right now using Naturall Club Avocado and CBD Deep Conditioner. I received these at Curl Fest. They were 3 for $20. The package that I have right now is the CBD avocado one, and they do not sell this on their website. I don't know why, but I'll link the other ones that they do have on their website. Then it says apply deep conditioner to your ends, leave deep conditioner in for 20 to 40 minutes, and rinse with water. The consistency smells very earthy. Oh gosh. Yeah, let's work this in. I do not like the smell of this at all. I think I'm gonna have to use 2 packs. It's getting tangled. I just detangled my hair and I washed it in the twist. Yeah, I don't know if I like it, guys. Let me detangle with my Felicia leather whip. Alright, alright, so let me add this. I mean, my curls are really popping, but alright, so I'm going to twist up this into 2 sections. I'm going to go take the other one out the freezer and we'll slightly put it in some hot water. Yeah, I have my thoughts. Alright, so we're going to try this on another section. I just got the other one. I have it sitting in some hot water. So let's try again. It's not, I'm used to automatic slippage. Let's try this section. I don't like the smell. Oh my god, I don't like the smell. Hopefully the smell doesn't linger. So let's try detangling. The front of my hair usually detangles easier. It's the back because it's so thick in the back. Nice and dense in the back of my hair. Even the front gave me a little bit of trouble, but I may have to go over the back with more. Alright, so my camera's about to die, but I'm going to add the rest of the deep conditioner in the front and just go over some more in the back. Sit with the deep conditioner in my hair for about an hour, and I will be back to show you how my hair looks like when I rinse out the deep conditioner. Hey guys, so I'm back and I just finished rinsing out the deep conditioner and it's so soft. Okay, let's take out this one so you can see. I am shocked at how soft my hair really is right now. You could just see the curl definition. Yeah, I was looking on their website because I really wanted to know what the CBD in the product was for, and they actually don't sell CBD and avocado revitalizing deep conditioner on their website. So I don't know if it was a, you know, Curl Fest deal only, or maybe they sold out. I'm not too sure, but they do have the dry solution one on their website. Also, I do have the dry solution one in my freezer, but only have 1 packet of that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to mix that with something else because I know I definitely need 2 packets in my hair because my hair is super thick in the back. But my final thoughts of this product is that, 1, I do not like the smell of the product. I do not like the smell. It smells very earthy. You do need to make sure your hair is wet, because as you can see in my video, I did have a hard time at first, you know, putting the product on and detangling, so I had to like open up another one because like my hair just needed more. I left it in for an hour without heat. I just did my normal plastic bag and a towel and had my own body heat make the heat. And yeah, my hair is soft. Would I buy this product again? Probably not, because I have other deep conditioners that I love. And yes, it is soft, but my hair is not moisturized, if that makes sense. It doesn't have a smell. Even with the rice tonic on it, I thought that would help make a smell, but it don't. But my hair is soft, like pillow soft. I will not repurchase this product again. I do have the dry hair solution one inside of my freezer, so yeah, I just, yeah, no. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will link down below. If you do want to try out these products and you all about natural products, this may be the product for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Catch up on my other videos down below, some of my favorite videos, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.